Morning traders, I'm going to make this one nice and quick for you. Thursday, March 28th, just before 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Some of these calls might get hit as I'm talking. There is some volatility, so keep that in mind. Also keep in mind that you want to look for some retracements. You don't want to just enter at the top of any cycle. So also keep that in mind. Like right now, I would wait for a retracement before entering this, unless you want to be really risky. So we're looking for 7102.154 on BTC. Dollar index should go up to about 105.16. Euro USD, we're still looking at the 109 level. We did have some retracement yesterday, and that is a perfect entry opportunity. GBP USD, we're looking still for the 127 level, also a good opportunity for entry. Just to throw things in the mix, we got Nvidia at 904.86. USD CAD still targeting the 137 level. Now wait for a retracement before entering. That's going to be a bit of a longer time frame. USD JPY still looking at the 152.55 level. So for US oil futures, we've got an 82.54 prediction level. And for gold at 22.13, we're going to pop out of that zone we created, the high there, and then the earlier high that we created this week. So we're looking to bounce right through that. If you want to play it safe, just target 2203. You can also target anything in between going up. XRP going up to 62. And I believe that's all we got for today. So yeah, just want you to keep in mind that you don't want to enter right in the swing of things, especially for this. You see that there's a nice trend line here. If it breaks out of it, go ahead and enter in. If not, wait for a retracement. You might even have a retracement down to the 70,000 level. Anyways, I hope you have fun, and there's lots of news events out today. We'll be posting about that on the website. Take care.